You know what State Farm said? They said, send me a full replacement estimate. That's right. So that's how you get it done, guys. That is how you win against these guys. We're gonna go get this roof bought. Tyler Sims here, Flint Hills Roofing Company. I'm gonna show you guys how this is done with State Farm. State Farm, we all know, is notorious for not buying anything. Homeowners are suffering across the United States of America because they're getting denied on their claims. Typical State Farm protocol. State Farm bought 88 shingles. We all know lifting the shingles up is going to damage it anyways. As soon as we lift them up, they break, and so the ones behind them break, and then we should be replacing the whole thing. So it's really impossible to just repair shingles. In Wichita, Kansas is where I'm at today. We have code issue, and it's an international code issue, that we should have solid sheathing, okay? This isn't solid sheathing. You look at this, you look at the gaps, you see the wormholes, whatever you want to call them, the knots in the wood, okay? That's why they don't do that. They have gaps over time, and that causes problems for the roof, the structure. They start leaking over time, separating, all kinds of things. So that's why you want solid sheathing. So as we lifted this up to change the shingle out, per se, we noticed the decking is not up to code, okay? The city inspector comes out, he says, Ty, what are you gonna do? You have to change it. Well, they only approved me for 88 shingles. You know what the city inspector said? He doesn't care. He doesn't care, it's a code issue, it has to be changed. So, next thing I do, call the insurance. I say, hey, State Farm, what do you want me to do? Your policyholder has code coverage. What do we do at that point? You know what State Farm said? They said, send me a full replacement estimate. That's right. So that's how you get it done, guys. I know it only works if it needs redecked. It's older house. It doesn't have to be an older house, but it's has slat decking like this. It's not solid sheathing. A lot of you are like, man, I should have done that. Yeah, man, you should have done that because that is how you win against these guys. Tyler Sims, Flint Hills Roofing, signing out.